everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now this week is a awesome week. I actually have some stuff and I lost it. No, I found it. Okay, I'm like starting my video and I'm like, crap. Okay, so this week is a very great week to shop at Walgreens, you guys. Like, I have never been this successful in a very long time, but I feel like there is a ton of deals and I'm going to show you guys a bunch. I'm also going to share with you guys a second haul because these deals are just so awesome. If I can do a second haul, and then I'm also going to try to do a Black Friday haul for you guys, maybe. I don't feel like the deals are that great for Black Friday, but this week is an awesome week. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is the no shell pistachios. Now there is a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago, and it's for no shells. I don't know if there's a regular coupon out there for it, but these are on sale for $5.99. I love giving pistachios away for Christmas gifts. I like to give food away. That's what I like to do. But yeah, these were $5.99 and I used a $1 off coupon. You guys would just get this for $4.99. Now it's not the greatest deal, but in case you guys, want to get some gifts away, or if you have register rewards that are expiring or anything like that, definitely go ahead and do this deal. I think that was a great deal. Now this deal I was super excited for. Now there's the big tin and then there is like the 3 individual cans, and I couldn't decide what I wanted to do, but I thought this is kind of cool and I really like the tin for it, and it's taped so it's not gonna move. But this is a Planters tin. This has peanuts, almonds, cashews, and pistachios in it. This is also $5.99, but there is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would end up getting this for $3.99. So I think for $4, it is a pretty good deal. I mean, I like it. I like the tin, so it's something you guys can always use, to put other things in it, but I really liked the tin. And there is 1 pound, 1 ounces of nuts in here, so sharing with you guys on that deal. Now I did get some gifts, and then I also got a lot of couponing stuff, so yes. I also did the slippers. My stepdad said he wanted some slippers for Christmas. So the slippers this week are $6.50. I think this is a pretty good deal for slippers. I don't know the normal price for these. It might be like 50% off. But I always get them slippers, and like, I don't like paying full price for them because he just uses it. My parents have a hot tub, so he pretty much uses the slippers from the house to the hot tub and back. So I always get him slippers like every 2 years. So I thought, definitely go ahead and get in him some slippers for $6.50. And these actually have the memory foam in it, so that's kind of good. I'm going to put those to the side. You guys will say that my background is new. I've actually had this for a couple years now. I'm just not a big fan of it, but I thought with the Christmas and everything, I thought I would just change the background a little bit. The toys are buy 2, get 2 free. In the past couple weeks they've been buy 2, you get 1 free, but this week they are buy 2, get 2 free. Now usually for Black Friday it's usually buy 1, get 2 free, but they stopped doing that, which I was okay. So I ended up getting some toys, which I cannot let Benjamin see, so these are gonna be toys for Christmas. But I got this for Miss Charlotte. Any of the ones that say $6.99 is the ones that you guys want. So this is Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. Now I did end up getting some of toys before when I had all those ECBs. I got some extra toys for my kids, but I thought, what, I'm just gonna get this. So this was $6.99. It is a Walgreens brand, so if the employees, if anybody who's an employee, you guys will get this for 25% off additionally, or regular price is $15. So I'm just giving you guys an employee discount. Employees get 15% off, but if it's Walgreens brand, you get 25% off. So had to get that one for Miss Charlotte, and that is it for that bag. And then I got more toys. I got this little blanket. She really loves soft stuff, so I had to get her Tigger because I thought that would be super cute to have. So I got like a nice little blanket thing for her to cuddle up with, but she just loves cuddling up. So there was that. And then I also got Mrs. Potato Head. Ben has Mr. Potato Head, so I thought let's get him a Mrs. Potato Head. He's really into, you know, Toy Story, so I thought that would be a cool gift. And then I also ended up getting Hungry Hungry Hippos, the travel game. We have the big game, but he always keeps losing it, so I thought let's just get him this one. So this is just a grab and go. So I thought this would be a perfect gift for him with that. So I ended up getting 2 of those for free. So you guys would just pay $13.98 to get all 4 of those toys, and I think that's a pretty good deal. $13.98 for those toys. So definitely go ahead and get some toys if you guys need to do that. Okay. So now let's get to the couponing deals, because I know you guys are like, Jennifer, let's go. So you guys want to get some crackers if you guys want to do these deals. The crackers are 2 for $5. You guys want to use a $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts like 2 weeks ago. You guys would just get these for $4 or just $2 a piece. This is cheaper to do at like Pick and Save Kroger if you guys have one, but I wanted to share with you guys this deal anyways because not everybody has those stores. But again, these were 2 for $5. You guys use that $1 off coupon. Plus, you guys can submit submit your receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards. Now, I've made a couple videos showing you guys about that site. You scan your receipt and you guys get points. Well, right now they have a deal where if you buy 2 of the participating products, you guys will get a digital movie, and you can either get National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, The Christmas Story, or Elf. So I already have one redeemed. I submitted my receipt last night to something else, and then I'm going to submit this receipt. So then it is a limit of 3 digital movies, but I absolutely love digital movies. I get as many as I can. So 2 crackers for $4 plus a digital movie is a great deal. So definitely go ahead. I'm going to say definitely go ahead and do that because it's an awesome deal. I did the Colgate toothpaste, you guys. Now hopefully you guys still have some printables of this. Otherwise, if not, it's not a big deal. But these were $2.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off printable coupons that we got from our coupons from last week. You guys would pay $3.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward. So you guys will get a $5 register reward, making it a $1.02 moneymaker. Now, if you guys don't have those $1 off coupons, you can still use the 50-cent off coupons that we got in today's paper, and they'd be absolutely free after the register reward. So go ahead and get crazy with toothpaste, you guys. This is a week to get wasted on toothpaste. Yes. And then I also did the Crest toothpaste deal. Now, this is $2.99. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons that we got in today's P&G paper. You guys would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward. Wherever my $4 register. I did 4 transactions, okay, you guys. So you guys would get a $4 register reward, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. So hopefully you guys can get wasted with that. Now, you guys can do both Colgate and the Crest deal in one transaction and still get the both register rewards. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. A lot of you guys think you have to do them in separate transactions. You only have to do them in separate transactions for the same deal. But you can do like 10 different deals and get 10 different register rewards all in the same transaction. So, yes, okay? The next deal we did is the Equal. Now, I'm not sure what this is. It's saccharin. I don't even know what this is. I can't even pronounce it. But the Equal, these were $1.99. The other ones are $3.99. But they are buy one, get one 50, or buy one, get one free. So you guys can only use 1 coupon for these. But I did this one. So these were $1.99. You guys use that $1.50 off coupon. You guys would end up getting this for 49 cents. And then what happened is I actually had a I actually had a coupon print off for $2 off of 2 equal. So you guys can use this off the buy one get one free also if you guys want to do that. But yeah, these were $1.99. The other ones were $3.99. So it's up to you guys if you want to do either deal. Now, I did the Netflix deal because I think this is a great deal and I need to start doing more gift card deals because why not? Why not? So right now, Walgreens has a deal where if you buy 2 gift cards, you guys will get a $10 gift card. Well, the lowest price that you guys can get the Netflix ones are $15. So you guys want to buy 2 Netflix gift cards, you would pay $30. $30 for 2. That for me right there is like 2 months. This is 2 months of Netflix for me. But then you guys will get a free $10 Walgreens gift card that you guys can use. So it's technically $10. So that's a great deal. The only thing about Walgreens is if you use their gift card, you don't always get the points. So if you guys you can still get the register rewards, I think. I usually try to use this gift card for random stuff. But you don't get points when you use Walgreens gift cards. I think it's kind of stupid, but that's how things work. But definitely, you get a $40 value for $30. I think that is a great, great deal. So definitely going to do that. I'm going to try to do more deals like that in the future. Now, Head & Shoulders is an awesome deal this month, you guys. Like, I haven't seen it this awesome in a long time. So right now, the Head & Shoulders are $5.99, and the Herbal Essence is $5.99. You guys, I think, can mix and match this if you want. But you can't with the coupon, so never mind. So what you guys want to do is you're going to do separate transactions if you want to do this deal. But again, these are $5.99. You want to use a 5 off of 2 Herbal Essence or a 5 off of 2 Head & Shoulders. You guys would end up paying $6.98 for 2 of them. But then you guys will get a $5 register reward. You guys would get a $5 register reward, and you guys would get these for $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece, which I think is a really good deal. So the coupon is a limited to, hi baby, the coupon is a limited to, so I ended up doing 4 transactions, 1 Herbal Essence, 1 Head & Shoulders, 1 Herbal Essence, and 1 Head & Shoulders. So I ended up getting 4 $5 register rewards. So definitely go ahead and do this. I like it when you can get Head & Shoulders for 99 cents. I haven't seen it that price in a very, very long time. Don't lose those. So yes, definitely go ahead and do that. So I got more Herbal Essence. And I did these, like I said, you guys, I only did 4 transactions because I really wanted to take advantage of it. And those coupons are a limit of 2 per household per day. So that is the reason why I did 4 transactions. So, okay. And then this is the last and final deal. Oh my goodness, you guys. My last and final deal is the Purex. Now, these were $1.99, and I printed off a $1 off coupon from the Purex website. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. 99 cents for Purex. I think that is a great, great deal. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. You can go color that if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go do whatever you want to do. Okay, so my total came to $67.74. You guys know I don't pay that much out of pocket. Now, 30 of it did go towards Netflix, so it did technically come to $37, $34. And I also used register rewards. I had register rewards. I used a 4, a 6, and a 5. So my total actually would have been $82.74, without the register rewards factored in as my payment, but my payment that came to minus the points came to $67.74. I'm not trying to confuse you guys, but I ended up getting $29 back of register rewards. That's not right. That's not right. I got a 5 and a 5. I got $20 back for, yeah, I guess it is. I got $20 back for the Head & Shoulders and Herbal Essence, and then I got $4 back from the Crest, and then I got $5 back for the Colgate. So yeah, $29 of register rewards right here, you guys. That's awesome. And then I also received that free $10 gift card that I got for buying the Netflix gift cards. So my total technically came to $28.74, but you guys know I don't pay that price. I paid like under a couple bucks. I literally, I think I paid like $3 for everything because I did pay with points. But yeah, $28.74 for all 4 transactions. I got 26 items. That comes out to be $1.10 a piece, so which I will take it. All that stuff for $1.10. I think is a great deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'm definitely going to try to do a second haul for you guys this week because it is a hot week. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later in the week. Bye-bye.